When Google released Android 17 to the public, it was natural to see its Pixel smartphones be the first to receive the update. Those of us who have been using GrapheneOS have been left waiting a little bit longer due to a sideload bug that was spotted in the AOSP codebase. However, since this update is still being tested, they have chosen to not release it under the stable channel just yet. But if you're brave and you want to test it out, then today I'll be showing you how to install it. I've been using the stable branch of GrapheneOS on my Pixel 9 Pro XL here, and it's been incredibly good so far. But I'm excited to try out the new update to Android 17. So to test things out right now, we first need to launch into the Settings application. Then, we're going to dive into the System menu, because here is where the built-in Updater feature is located. And from here, we can switch from the stable branch of GrapheneOS over to the beta branch. Or, if you're wanting to try out Android 17 right now, then you'll want to switch this over to the alpha build. As the update passes through their testing process, it will become available via the beta branch, and then it will arrive on the stable branch, just like you would expect from their firmware updates. You only need to switch to the alpha branch right now if you don't want to wait for everyone else to test out the update. This firmware will download just like you would expect, and then it will install it automatically for you. We just have to wait patiently, let the Android file system do its thing, and eventually you'll be told to reboot in order to complete the installation of GrapheneOS based on Android 17. I'm looking forward to testing out all of these new features, and I'll be sure to let you know if I spot any bugs along the way. So if anyone else is testing this update as well, please share your feedback down below.